Hey, it's Greg Luther, and listen, if you enjoy watching this YouTube channel and you're getting some great information on how to sell more real estate, I want to help you as much as possible. Let me give you some tips on what you can do to start immediately closing business within your local marketplace. Now, this YouTube channel gets updates nearly every single day, so I want you to do two things so that I can help you with getting yourself some closings. Number one, I want you to subscribe to this channel. You simply hit the subscribe button, and that's going to allow you to subscribe to the channel. If you don't have an account set up with YouTube, it's totally free. You can do it right now. The second thing and most important thing to do, you gotta ring the bell. Next to the subscribe button, you'll see the little bell for you to turn on notifications. That's important because it does no good for you to subscribe if you're not getting notified of the new videos as soon as they come out. When you ring the bell, that's going to allow you to get notifications every single time we load a new video that can help you to attract more buyers and sellers in your local marketplace. Hopefully that's helpful for you. Make sure you subscribe and ring the bell, and we'll see you in an upcoming video.